We know the disease is spreading quickly, with over 1/3 of our membership affected directly. This is no longer a regional issue. It is a global problem calling for a global response. Representing our 189 members. Global growth in 2020 will dip below its last year's levels, but how far it will fall and how long the impact would be is still difficult to predict. A serious threat to people and the world economy.
It's a $12 billion package, of which $6 billion is IBRD and IDA, and that enables and allows a special protection for poorer countries. And then there's also $6 billion from the International Finance Corporation. That's critical because it's private sector financing, it's fast acting, and it takes the form of trade finance and working capital finance, which are one of the most needed goods within this, one of the most needed services that can be provided during this crisis. The stocking of emergency rooms, clinical care, quarantine facilities. It's important that the fiscal and monetary stimulus not shift resources away from working capital.
Earlier projection for the impact of coronavirus on China. We do have up to $10 billion available for low-income countries to tap in with zero interest rates. And obviously we would prioritize countries, especially countries in Africa that have already been faced with difficulties. We recognize that all producing countries have. What is hugely important today is to focus on building a bridge between where we are and that time when we would see a recovery, to make sure that the impact in meanwhile is softened first and foremost on people, and also, of course, on businesses and the economy.